Did you know that you can embed an Excel worksheet into MindTap and do it in such a way that students can change the data in the worksheet as they answer questions? Suppose, for example, you're teaching students about correlations and you want them to play around with some data to see what effect changes in the data have on the value of the correlation and the scatter plot. Let's see how this is done. First, we go to Excel Online. Here's the worksheet. Now, in this case, I created a perfect correlation with 10 rows of data for 2 variables. Here's the calculated correlation, and here's the scatter plot that I previously had Excel create. Now, how do I get this worksheet into MindTap? Easy. First, I'll exit the worksheet and go to my personal OneDrive account. I'll find the worksheet I'm working on and right-click. From the options, I'll click on Embed. There's just a few things I like to do before I copy that code. I'll click on Customize how this embedded workbook will appear to others. On this page, I'll click the box next to Let people type into cells. Their changes will not be saved. And I find that a width of 600 looks good in MindTap. And that's it. I'll copy this code and head over to MindTap. I'll click Add Create, Activity, and I'll use what's called a non-MindTap activity. I'll give it a title and a sentence of instructions. And I find that the activity looks better to students if after the instructions I put in what's called a line break. It's just a less than symbol, the letters BR, and a greater than symbol. And then I paste the embed code right below. It doesn't look so good here, but it'll look very different to students. I'll save this and place this in Chapter 1. And there it is. Students can change the data by double-clicking in the cells, and they'll see what effect this has on the correlation. My original file is unchanged. So that's all there is to it. Create a worksheet in Excel Online, grab the embed code, making sure it's marked as editable, and then place the code into a non-MindTap activity. Look for more tips like this in the MindTap users group.